My favorite thing about Peai is just her attitude, right? It's so infectious. She comes in every morning and says good morning. She's always in a great mood, and it doesn't matter what kind of day you might be having. As soon as you see Peai in the morning, it just instantly lifts your spirits, and she's just so happy to be here, and it's just contagious, and it just just helps me have a good day, right? Because she's usually the first person I see in the morning. We get here about the same time, usually park next to each other, and one of the first things I get to jump out of the truck and say, hey, good morning, Peai. And she says, good morning, Jason. How are you? How's your family? And she's just a great inspiration. Just, always willing to help out, right? I was doing some cooking last week with a lot of the other guys, and she's in there trying to jump in. I'm like, oh, no, back off. We got this part, you do too much anyway. And she just does a great job. And like I said, she's just so happy and just such a great person to be around.
Awesome. Thank you.
You're welcome.